In this video, we're going to be going over primer vals violin parts. Before we begin, you're going to want to have the bow tension to about pinky's length. You don't want it too tight. If you were to have the bow about this tension, this would be too tight. You can see that the bow is going upwards when you want it to go curved downwards like that. Okay, when you hold the bow, again, you're going to hold the bow with the thumb and the index finger, the middle finger touching each other, and the index, ring, and pinky on the bow, like that. Hold like that. You hold the bow, the violin, you're going to have the palm down. You're going to have and you're going to bow with the wrist. And you want to stay as straight as possible. You don't want to use the arm, although that will probably be happening from time to time. The more practice, the better. And when you bow, you want to give just enough tension where it comes out clear. Also keep in mind, rosining your bow will give a better sound. If you put too much tension, you're going to get a screechy sound like this. Like that, you don't want to do that. You put too little tension, it's going to start bouncing. You're not going to have good grip. So a nice long bow tone. And you want to use all the bow as much as you can. So for the first part of the song, we have for measure 1, open D. Then we have measure 2, E, which is D1. Measure 3, which is G. D3, F sharp 2. Again, 5, G, F, D2, 7, D1, and then D, open. So each note's going to be one bow, so you're going to start with down bow, then up bow on measure 2 with D1. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. That's measures 1 through 8. For measures 9 to 16, we're going to be ascending from 14 and 15 and 16, which means the pitch is going to be going up. And we're going to be introducing some new notes that you have not yet seen. So we have 9, which is D1. D open. 10, which is D1, E. 11, which is G, D3. And then keep in mind we put our second finger as well down when we play D3. Then D2 for 12. 13, D3 again. And then we have A open. And then 15, which is the new one, A1. And we do that twice. Okay? Each note means different bowing starting down. So 9 to 16. 1, 2. Let me move my position a little bit so it's better. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Open A. Now A1. And that's it for this video. Again, you want to work on your tone. You want to get nice. You want to get nice full tones. And you want to try and use as much wrist as possible.